So children, next session of AP in polynomials. Please open the link in the description. Let's check out some children. If zeros of x cube minus 12x square plus 39x plus k, okay, are in AP. He's saying they are in AP. Find k. You have to find out k. Okay. So what is A here, children? 1. What is B here? Minus 12. What is C here? 39. What is D here? K. Okay, and he's saying alpha is a minus b because they are in AP. No children, beta is equal to a and gamma is equal to a plus b. Okay, children. So first, sum of roots. What is sum of the roots formula, children? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Okay, what is alpha, children? A minus b. What is beta, children? A. What is gamma? A plus b is equal to minus b by a. What is minus b, children? Minus of minus 12, and a is 1, children. Plus b minus b cancel. 3a is equal to 12. A is equal to 4. I got A is equal to 4. Okay, now product of the roots. Don't write short forms in the exam like this, pure and so on, children. Now only I'm saying alpha into beta into gamma is equal to C minus D by A is the formula, children. Minus D by A. What is alpha, children? A minus B. What is beta? A. What is gamma? A plus B is equal to minus D means minus K. A is 1, children. Okay, so A, how much you got? 4 minus B into 4 plus B is equal to minus K. Okay, children, this will bring here 4 minus B into 4 plus B, A square minus B square is equal to minus K by 4. With this also you are not getting. When you are not getting with this also, let's go for sum and product of the roots. Children. Let's go for sum and product of the roots. Sum and product of roots. What is sum and product of the roots formula? Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to C by A. You know this formula, children. Sum and product of the roots is alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha is C by A. What is alpha beta? A minus B into A. What is beta gamma? A into A plus B. What is gamma alpha? A minus B into A plus B is equal to C by A. What is C, children? 39 by 1. 39 by 1. Okay, children? No. Let's elaborate that. A is 4, no children? 4 minus B into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus B plus 4 minus B into 4 plus B is equal to 39. Okay, children, don't write here. 16 minus 4B, 16 plus 4B, A square means 16 minus B square is equal to 39. Hope you are able to understand. Minus 4B plus 4B cancel. 16 3s are 48. So how much you get, children? 48 minus B square is equal to 39. Okay, children. So B square is equal to 9. B is equal to plus or minus 3. Now, what was the condition we got, children, here? 16 minus B square is equal to minus K by 4. No? Let's put ones plus, ones minus. Okay, on the top I'm saying I'm doing, children. I hope you people are copying, and the top I will do so that you will not get any confusion here. So what do we have here? 16 minus b square is equal to minus k by 4. Once I should use plus 3, once I should use minus 3. I'm using plus 3 minus you do, children. 16 minus plus 3 whole square is 9 is equal to minus k by 4. 16 minus 9 is 7 is equal to minus k by 4. Minus k is equal to 28. K is equal to minus 28. If you use b is equal to plus 3. If you use b is equal to minus 3, some other answer you will get, children. This is third sum. Please copy fast, children. I will tell some others. Next sum. Fourth is already I completed in the previous session. Fifth question I will do, children. Fifth question. Fast, children. If you are not able to copy, at least take the picture fast. So here I got a condition. Using this, I solve this condition. Product of the roots, I got a condition. Using sum and product, I solved here. Here I got A. Here I got B. Here I kept the B. Okay, children. Now fourth one, third one already I told, children, and fourth one already I told. I think. Yeah. Fifth one, children. Find condition if 0 of x cube minus px square plus qx minus r in AP. px square plus qx minus r in AP. Actually, children, this type of questions you will get in MCQs because condition he will ask, which condition is correct he will ask. So, children, anyway, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus B, C is equal to Q, D is equal to minus R. Okay, alpha is equal to how much, children? A minus B, beta is equal to A, gamma is equal to A plus B. Why? Because he said they are in AP. So sum of the roots, what is the formula, children? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. What is alpha, children? A minus b plus a plus b is equal to minus of minus b. Okay, children? Minus b plus b cancel. 3a is equal to p. Okay, so a is equal to p by 3. Let's keep. You will use this condition later, children. Let's keep like that. We want a condition which relates p, q, and r. We want a condition which relates p, q, and r. Okay. Now product of the roots. Right, understand, children? Alpha, beta, gamma. Children, like these questions you will not be having in textbook, but you should practice. In exam, they will give. So minus b by a. Alpha is how much, children? A minus b. What is beta, children? A. What is gamma? A plus b is equal to minus of minus r. Okay, children? A how much you got? P by 2. Okay, children? A how much you got? P by 3 minus b. P by 3 into P by 3 plus B is equal to R. Okay, children? So this will go up, children. A minus B to A plus B is how much, children? P square by 9 minus B square is equal to 3R by P. 3R by P. Okay, children? B will come here. This will go here, children. Okay, so P square by 9 minus B square is equal to 3R by P. So how we are getting the condition, children? Please check, children. Condition I am showing here, please. P square by 9 minus 3R by P is equal to B square. B square I took there, children. That's it. So children, 9P is the LCM. So 9 gone, P cube minus PP gone, 27R is equal to B square. Okay, children, this is one condition. Now, one more condition you have to get, children, so that Q also will be inserted into that. One more condition. What is the one more condition? Sum and product of the roots. Sum and product of the roots. What is sum and product of the roots? Alpha minus beta, alpha in a minus b into a plus b is equal to minus b by a, minus b by a. Okay, children, what is a, children? A, how much you got? A is how much, children? P by 3. Oh, one second. Sum and product of the, sorry, children, sum and product of the roots form is alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha is equal to c by a. This is the formula. So children, all these things we have to use so that you will get a relationship between P and Q and R. What is alpha, children? A minus B. What is beta? A. What is beta? A. What is gamma? A. What is gamma? A plus B. What is beta? Alpha A plus B is equal to C by A. Okay, children. So A, how much you got? P by 3. B square also we can substitute, children. So first what we will do is see here. So A, how much you got? P by 3 minus B into P by 3 plus P by 3 into P by 3 plus B plus P by 3 minus B into P by 3 plus B is equal to C is how much, children? C is how much? Q by 1. I'm rubbing on the top, children. All of you, rub it on the top. I'm rubbing these conditions. We have to relate P, Q, and R, children. So now you see, children, this is P square by 9. P square by 9 minus PB by 3. Again, P square by 9 plus PB by 3 plus this is P square by 9. P square by 9 minus B square is equal to Q. This and this has gone, children. P square by 9, P square by 9, P square by 9 is 3P square by 9, children. 3P square by 9 minus B square is equal to 4. Children, B square, everything we should put here, children. Here we should put. If you put over, children, sum is over. I'm putting, children. Please copy this part and this part so that I can rub it. Then sum will be over. Please see, children. Last part, children. Last part. So this is 3, children. P square by 3 minus what is B square, children? P cube minus 27R by 9P is equal to Q. Okay, Q also came into the condition. Now, so what is the LCM, children? What is the LCM? Everything is correct only now there. 9P, everything has come correct only now, children. Let's check there. Yeah, this is correct only, I think. So children, 9P will be the LCM, children. 9P will be the LCM. So 3 into what gives you 9P, children?
Sir, it is plus 27 hours.
Why not plus 27? Why nana? See, PP gone. 9 3 is 27. Minus only is there, no? Plus 27 or by m. No, this when
When
you
you bring
see now it's there. After when I multiply, it will become plus. Don't worry. So 3 3s are 3p. 3p into p square 3p cube. Okay. Now minus 9p 9p gone. This will come up minus p cube minus into minus plus 27r is equal to q. Children, this will go here. Don't get confused. 3p cube minus p cube is 2p cube plus 27r is equal to 9p cube. This comes here, children. Last step. 2p cube minus 9p cube plus 27r is equal to 0. This is the condition. So much complicated sums, you may get or you may not get, children, but it's there. That's why I'm telling children. Okay. So children, remaining sums, any other sum you want me to tell you, please check and tell me fast. Remaining any other sum you want. All sums are easy, children. Remaining. You want me to tell any sum? I will tell. Any sum, your wish. Except second. Second, I have to once check. Children, any sum you want, please check them. Yes, children, any sum? Remaining all sums are in AP, direct question. And in one of the question, I gave you condition also. What is the condition they are expecting? I only gave it off.
Sir, last
Last sum you want, Rama?
yes,
Sir,
sir.
12th.
12th one, now only I didn't know, Nama. Same. See, can you see the answer? Answer is there in 12th only. I forgot. Sorry, children. 12th sum and this sum is same. See the answer. In 12th answer, I only gave. Prove that. Whoever asked 12th sum, same question. See. There I did not give the answer. Here I got the answer. Please see. Prove that 2p cube minus 9p cube plus 27r is equal to 0. In 12th one answer is there, children. Okay, anyway, last sum someone is
13
asking.
sum cheppandi.
Yeah, I'm saying 13 sum and then we'll stop the class, children. Please see 13 sum. Last sum, children, and if you have any more doubts, we'll discuss later, children. 13 sum, please see here, children. 13 sum. What is the question? Find ABC if same they are in AP. What is in AP? 2x cube minus 15x square plus 37x minus 30. Roots are in AP. A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 15, C is equal to 37, D is equal to minus 30. Okay, children. Alpha is equal to A minus B, beta is equal to A, gamma is equal to A plus B. Okay, first sum of the roots. Sum of the roots, what is the formula, children? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus B by A. Okay, what is alpha, children? A minus B, A plus B is equal to minus of minus 15 by 2. Minus B cancel. 3A is equal to 15 by 2. So A is equal to how much, children? 5 by 2. Now product of the roots. Please check product of the roots, children. So coming to the product of the roots, alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma is equal to minus b by a. A minus b into a plus b is equal to minus of minus 30 by 2. Okay, children, A how much you got? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 minus b into 5 by 2. 5 by 2 plus b is equal to 30 by 2 is 50. Okay, children. So 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square is equal to 6. This goes here, this comes here. So b square is equal to 25 by 4 minus 6. Okay, children? So last step, b square is equal to 4 if you take LCM. 25 minus 24, b square is equal to 1 by 4, b is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. So once you got a, how much, children? 5 by 2. B also you have plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So you find out alpha minus beta, alpha and alpha plus beta. Okay, you'll get alpha. Sorry, you'll find alpha beta. For alpha, what you do? A minus B. For beta, what you do? A. For gamma, what you do? A plus B. Substitute once. That one. Yes. Procedure is same, children. Like the sum size, like the sum is there in textbook also. So because this is there in textbook, this is official sum. Extended evaluation, I told that is not there in textbook. They may ask or they may not ask, but like the sums are very important.